Oh, now this one's worth conversation.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. We're here to talk about some sales items today with Francis. Francis, how are you today?
I am doing great. We've had a big snowstorm, got about 30 inches of snow out there, and I rode an eagle into work today.
Wow, that sounds like a really good morning. Well, what can you tell us about sales items and how they affect your GL?
Sure. So when you have sales items within point of rental, you have a couple different scenarios, three actually, of where you're going to potentially get GL entries. And so those scenarios are going to be obviously sales, and then also repair expenses and inventory adjustments. So let's talk about sales. So within point of rental, you have an item type called sales item. And you can also have parts items. And so with both of those things, when you sell them to a customer, that's going to be an income account for your sales inventory. And then you're going to have a cost of goods sold entry, or COGS. If you've been around a while, you will recognize that cost of goods sold as COGS. And those will be your GL entries related to the sales of your sales items. So the other things you can use these items for is for repair contracts. If I have an excavator and I'm going to do an oil change on that excavator, my oil, my filters, my labor, all those things can have a cost associated with them. And then we're going to have that going to our repairs cost account. The other way that you will get entries is when you do inventory adjustments. So if I'm counting my filters and I show to have 10, but I only have 5, I'm going to get entries in my GL for my inventory adjustments. The other side of every one of those entries is it's going to adjust my sales inventory default account, unless I have them assigned at the category level. Asher, did you know that if you sell items within point of rental that you actually don't have on hand, that you will take your inventory counts into the negative?
I did know that because I've made that mistake before.
Awesome. It's not a good thing to do. And so what happens is we take our inventory negative, and on that sales, we have no cost. We have no cost of goods because there was no purchase line associated with it. So on that sale, we're not going to show that we lost money. But when we receive the inventory in, that's where we get the inventory adjustment and we get the cost of goods with no income associated with it. So on the screen here, we do have for you guys a visual of what your account numbers look like. And so this is a document that's going to be linked into this video. And this is where you go in and you set up your default account numbers. Keep in mind that if you want category specific numbers, you can also set them at the category level by going into app configurations and then go to go to app configurations and then go to accounting configurations.
No, it's not accounting, Francis.
Yes, go to accounting configurations.
Oh, okay.
And then account numbers.
Oh, you want to go to this screen?
Yes. Click
Okay.
OK there. And then here are your default numbers that you would set up. But if you wanted to set them at the category level, go ahead and cancel here, Asher. And then click OK here. And then go to item configurations and item categories. And then let's just select any category. Excellent. And then here you can see that you can put in your cost of goods sold account as well as your sales inventory account. If you have any questions on this, feel free to search ULearn. And if you need help, call us at the support team. We're happy to help. Thank you, Asher, for all your help today.